Keeping with the season, let's make some pumpkin pancakes. And these are all of the ingredients: baking powder, canned pumpkin, a little allspice, some pure vanilla extract, pinch of salt, flour, milk, and an egg separated. Beat up the whites, fluff them up a little, mix everything all together, and then make the pancake. First thing I do, all the dry ingredients are in here. Not sifted together. This is what I use. Fine wire whip. It blends everything very nicely. And now we'll add the other ingredients. First we're going to beat up the white. Not so it peaks, but just we're going to beat it up. Get a lot of air in there. It'll make the pancake fluffier. You can use a little beater, electric, but it doesn't take too long. That's good enough. The milk is in there. Now we're going to add the pumpkin before the whites, because you want to blend the pumpkin quite a bit, mix it well, and the more we mix after we add the whites, the flatter the whites are going to go. So once this is blended nicely, like so, then we'll add a little bit of whites that we have. And the last item will be the vanilla. Just a couple of drops. Pure vanilla extract. Don't use imitation. And if you have vanilla bean, fresh vanilla bean, just scrape the inside out and put some of that in here. Okay. Neglected one important item, which is 1 tablespoon of oil or melted butter. So since I don't feel like melting butter, I'll put the oil. I'll put a drop of oil on my skillet, and we'll go about making this pancake. Let's move over here. And now we'll take the ladle, which I can't find, so we'll use the spoon, and we'll put some on there. I smell pumpkin, that's for sure. Now we are waiting. I like to see the little bubbles come up in there, and then I'll be able to turn them. Let's go, bubbles. Well, I guess the griddle wasn't as hot as I thought it was, but it really doesn't matter because they're still going to cook. I'm going to put one over here, and I bet you this one will cook faster than those. They're starting to move a little. Yes, it's quite boring just sitting here looking at this for you and for me. See that? I can't understand. When I said that this one is going to cook faster over here, you can see the edges are bubbling. And this middle griddle I have here, I think it's a wannabe griddle. Anyway, let's pay attention to this one. And let's go back over to this one. There, finally the bubbles in the center. Okay, we're gonna turn these. And then we'll look at this one, which I know is probably doing better than the others. Now, it's amazing. 3 minutes